Ladies and gentlemen, I am your planetary defense commander, Star-Lord New Thor 7, up on the night shift, and we've just had something pretty peculiar happen. We had a 5.2 earthquake in California, Olancha, and a 5.5 earthquake happened in Nevada, about a minute apart, I believe. Maybe it was longer than that. But those are two pretty big earthquakes happening at the same time in the USA, or in nearly the same window. The California earthquake was 23 kilometers deep, and the Nevada earthquake was 6.3 kilometers deep, which is pretty shallow. And so we will have to check in the morning to see if there was any damage. We are on the lookout for large earthquake and volcano eruption activity happening in 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. Due to all the gas giants being on the same side of the sun, and usually when you get that type of an imbalance, you see a lot of earthquake activity and volcano eruptions. And then plus, man, you've had these three planets, these three heavy hitters, Jupiter, Saturn, and Pluto in Capricorn. These two will be meeting up December 21st for a grand conjunction, which happens every 20 years. You had Mars just go retrograde station, where it stands still for a moment and then goes direct relative to Earth. You had the third of three Jupiter-Pluto conjunctions happen yesterday, as Mars goes direct right now. And so there's a lot going on. And then if you want to throw in consistent solar flaring from two different sunspots on the Earth's facing side of the sun, you can do that as well, because we have a little star inside of our planet, which is our core, and they're definitely connected. And so it's all connected, man. And then not only on top of that, as we go from a solar minimum to a solar maximum, not only do we have AR2781, AR2782, but we have two new pretty big sunspots that will be rotating to the Earth-facing side anywhere from 5 to 8 days. And so 2020 is happening, and it is Friday the 13th. A lot of people are superstitious. So maybe Freddy is coming from the underground, or maybe Elon is just banging out another tunnel from California to Nevada. So all him and Kanye and all his rich buddies can be safe if there is some type of a civilization collapse, because the political system is not going to help Americans in need during a raging pandemic, because shit is just foobar all over. Anyway, one thing of note, I will use anytime I get a black spot like this almost anywhere, I give it like a 35% chance of an earthquake in that region. I don't ever remember seeing a dry spot this dry happening over by Florida, but we didn't get the earthquake here. We got it over here. So that was weird, but as you could, if you noted, the atmospheric defense team kicked the crap out of Eta, although North Carolina took a whole lot of nasty flooding. And now they got Iota heading for South America or Central America. So 2020 keeps on getting 2020-er. So everybody stay cool, and we will watch out for more wacky weirdness. And have a happy Thanksgiving if you can, and a very Merry Christmas. God bless everyone.